If you count on your equipment to perform year-round, you need Performance Edge. With annual inspections by factory-certified technicians, Performance Edge keeps your machines running at their best and helps you avoid costly surprises.
Performance Edge gives you the ability to have your equipment serviced and maintain it for a much longer period of time. For those of you who use your piece of equipment year-round, all your parts, all your fluids, filters, they're all going to be taken care of. Free inspection as well. If you've got a worn part, for example, a belt that has a crack in it, that free inspection will give that customer the ability to replace that belt. The transportation benefit will cover all costs to pick up and deliver that unit. If you're buying a gator, for example, and you want that gator to come off the farm and be serviced every year, that is a benefit that Koenig equipment offers with Performance Edge.
Contact us today to experience the Performance Edge difference.